Forklift training, elevate your skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, forklift training. Whether you're learning English for work, travel, or personal enrichment, understanding such phrases is crucial. So, let's dive in and learn together. Forklift training is a compound noun, combining forklift and training. A forklift is a vehicle with a pronged device in front for lifting and carrying heavy loads. Training refers to the process of learning skills or gaining knowledge. Together, the phrase means a program or course where individuals learn how to operate a forklift safely and efficiently. In this section, we discuss why forklift training is important. Forklifts are used in many industries for moving heavy materials. Training is essential for safety and efficiency. It's not just about driving. Trainees learn about maintenance, safety protocols, and regulations. This training is crucial to prevent accidents and ensure smooth operations in workplaces like warehouses and construction sites. Forklift training usually includes several key components. 1. Theoretical learning. This involves understanding the forklift's mechanics, safety guidelines, and regulations. 2. Practical skills. Trainees get hands-on experience in operating a forklift under supervision. 3. Assessment. At the end of the training, there's often a test to assess the trainee's understanding and skill level. This section is about who typically requires this training. It's essential for anyone who will operate a forklift, especially in a professional setting. Employers often require this training for workers in warehouses, manufacturing, and construction. It's also beneficial for individuals looking to enhance their job qualifications. Here, we'll explore the benefits. Enhanced safety reduces the risk of accidents. Increased efficiency. Proper training leads to more efficient operations. Compliance helps in adhering to workplace safety regulations. Career advancement adds valuable skills to one's resume. That's all about forklift training. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Remember, whether it's for work or personal growth, understanding phrases like forklift training can open new doors and opportunities. Keep learning and stay curious. See you in our next video.